Unit 8, Nature and Environment. Vocabulary Introduction. A single words. 1. Environment. Example, protecting the environment is everyone's responsibility. 2. Pollution. Example, air pollution is a major problem in big cities. 3. Climate. Example, the climate in this region is hot and humid. 4. Wildlife. Example, national parks are important for protecting wildlife. 5. Deforestation. Example, deforestation leads to the loss of wildlife habitats. 6. Recycling. Example, recycling reduces waste and saves resources. 7. Ecosystem. Example, pollution affects the balance of the ecosystem. 8. Renewable. Example, solar power is a renewable source of energy. 9. Conservation. Example, conservation efforts are essential to protect endangered species. 10. Habitat. Example, the rainforest is home to many unique habitats. Collocations. 1. Protect the environment. Example, everyone should take action to protect the environment. 2. Cause pollution. Example, factories often cause pollution by releasing toxic waste. 3. Reduce waste. Example, recycling is an effective way to reduce waste. 4. Combat climate change. Example, governments need to work together to combat climate change. 5. Promote recycling. Example, schools should promote recycling to teach children about sustainability. 6. Plant trees. Example, planting trees is a simple way to improve air quality. 7. Save energy. Example, turning off lights when not in use helps save energy. 8. Protect wildlife. Example, it's important to protect wildlife from poaching. 9. Raise awareness. Example, campaigns can help raise awareness about environmental issues. 10. Cut down trees. Example, cutting down trees without replanting causes deforestation.